Alright, so I wanted to show you really quick something that I saw online a couple of days ago with regard to Yahoo and Bing versus Google. And it seems that for some reason, somehow, Google may or may not be filtering information that you could or may want to look for with regard to Hillary Clinton. So if we just type in Hillary in Yahoo and Hillary in Google, we'll see that the suggested search is a little bit more incriminating on Yahoo versus Google. Now if we continue typing in Hillary Clinton on Yahoo versus Google, we'll see stilt Hillary Clinton email scandal indictment for president, Twitter news. On Google, it's just Hillary Clinton, Hillary Clinton email, Hillary Rodham Clinton on Wikipedia. Now if we type in Hillary Clinton IN, Hillary Clinton IN, on Yahoo it's indictment coming, IND, investigation in California. In Google it's Hillary Clinton IN, in Ohio, in Cleveland, Instagram. Weird. Let's add a D. Let's add the D to both searches, and you got indictment coming, IND, indictment 2016, indictment Washington. In Google, it's just IND, Indiana, Hillary Clinton, Indiana, and Hillary Clinton, Indiana campaign. Crazy. Let's add an I to both of those. Yahoo, it's indictment coming, indictment 2016, indictment Washington Post, indictment coming 2016. And Google, though, it's just Hillary Clinton, Indy, Hillary Clinton, Indiana, Hillary Clinton, India, because that's, a very popular thing that people are searching for. I'm sure they want to know what Hillary Clinton is doing in India. And, the Hillary Clinton, Indiana campaign. So, that's all. I just wanted to show you. It doesn't mean anything, I'm sure. Google's doing a great job. So is Yahoo. The end.